Give Emma a kiss. Where's Emma's nose?
No.
Where's Emma's nose? Where's Emma's nose? What are you doing? Honey, you can't get Emma out, honey. Do you want to push her some more? Let me see you give Emma a kiss. Give him a kiss. Hi, Emma. Hey, Samantha. Give him a kiss. All right. Right into the dishwasher, honey. Okay. We can't lift. I'll help you lift Emma out, okay?